Hey there, behind the screens, Ryan here. I recently went to Cedar and here is some Mean Streak footage and some new rumors that I've heard throughout the park. Beautiful. Alrighty guys, as you can see, Maverick is a really long wait. I'm not waiting for that. Even though Maverick is my #1 right now, I will not be waiting for Maverick today. Do it during early entry tomorrow. Pro tip also. Coming to Cedar with the Platinum Pass, perfect. Get early entry. Also this. Wow, looks very good right now. The left tail is almost complete. Okay, now I think that's enough of a confirmation right there that the entrance will be relocated. I'm really curious where though, because probably over there actually. Insane Streak's looking more insane every day. It's exciting. Did they update? Yep, they updated this finally. Before, on opening day, Mean Streak was still here. It wasn't updated in 2017 yet. Look at that Wicked Cyclone-esque roll right there. We have another airtime hill. This thing's gonna be low to the ground. It's exciting. So I am a bit concerned, as I was saying, that I don't know if it'll have much speed going through. If it has a lot of speed, it'll be awesome. But Danny Miller was saying on Uncut, if you all watch it, wink wink tap tap, watch it, that you're not gonna have a lot of speed through there, most likely, and that's where I am a bit concerned. I am a speed guy. This is why Maverick is my #1 and Fury is my #2, because I like speed. In which we'll be going to Dollywood this month for National Roller Coaster Day. I will not be here, so merchandise. Nice Cedar Point. 1877, that's cool. Park's absolutely packed today, as I was saying, but getting all my video done as immediately, so I don't have to worry about battery. We'll go over to Maverick real quick. Look at those sexy rolls. Fun. Love it. I'm really curious to see what the new train design will be. If you didn't know, Rocky Mountain has confirmed that there will be new trains. So that'll be interesting. I think that'll probably do it for me though. You'll probably notice similar footage on Cushionette's videos. I'm filming a separate video for them. Link for that. That video will be a little more high def. and stuff like that. I'm actually going to take my time. I just kind of cruise through these on some videos, kind of cruise through them, but that'll be it for me. My name's Ryan, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.